Delhi is a city of heavy traffic where your choice of wheels dictates your day. Spending time in the MG Comet, you realize it's built for exactly this kind of environment. Much like Delhi itself, its compact, practical personality mirrors the busy, diverse energy of the streets we are navigating today. To see how that translates to the real world, we are taking the MG Comet EV on a proper Delhi darshan. We are starting at the Lodi Art District, famous for its murals, and ending at the iconic Red Fort. It's a route that tests everything that a city car should be, and stay tuned to the end for a spicy verdict. You may think the car is cutesy, lovely and adorable, and you are not wrong. Much like these murals, the Comet EV stands out by being different. Because it's a pure EV, the wheels are pushed to the corners, making it surprisingly spacious on the inside, yet compact on the outside. The large windows allow you to witness the world outside without anything blocking your view. Perfect for watching the murals without feeling boxed in. And in a neighborhood where parking is a luxury, its footprint is a massive advantage. You can pull over to take a photo without becoming a traffic hazard. It's at the Lodi Art District that you realize that the MG Comet EV is designed specifically for the city. Its compact dimensions and distinctive design ensure that it feels a part of the city very naturally. We've seen the beauty of Delhi and the MG Comet EV, but it's time to experience the cabin in a place that's unlike anything in Delhi, just like how the Comet EV is different from any other car in India. The Comet EV's interior is unlike anything India has witnessed before. The vibe is minimalistic. It's a three-door setup, which usually means a compromise, but it actually works in this case. Just like how thoughtfully Lutyens Delhi has been planned, a similar thought was put into the cabin of the MG Comet EV. The doors are huge and the seats slide far enough that getting into the back doesn't seem like an afterthought. It's a thoughtful use of space that fits the less is more philosophy. The Comet EV assures you that it's built on smart value by being considerate and comfortable where it matters the most. The MG Comet EV is a tech fest, and there is no better place for witnessing the future of technology than by visiting the Delhi IT Park, the place in Delhi where all the techies meet. The dashboard is dominated by two 10.25-inch screens for the infotainment and for the digital cluster, and they aren't just for show. The wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are snappy, which is exactly what you need when navigating through Delhi's evolving flyovers. The Comet isn't just loaded with tech, it packs all the smart tech that you need on a daily basis. Apart from this dual screen setup, you also get features like voice commands, a digital key, a Find My Car feature, geofencing and OTA updates. But Delhi Darshan isn't complete without a visit to the iconic Red Fort. And the Comet once again shines when it reaches Chandni Chowk and Red Fort. Because of its compact dimensions, it's really the perfect car to explore the place. And it shines here in the narrow lanes and dense traffic that will make anyone in the driver's seat sweat. But the Comet makes it seem like a walk in the park. The conversation around the MG Comet EV usually starts and ends with the why. But if you look at the numbers, the logic is hard to ignore. In a typical petrol car of a similar price, in this traffic, you'd be spending around 6.5 rupees per kilometer, while in the MG Comet EV, that costs just 0.6 rupees per kilometer. And if you drive, say, 1200 kilometers every month, your fuel bill in this would be around 720 rupees compared to nearly 8,000 rupees in a petrol car. That's a saving of 4,25,000 rupees going directly into your pocket. That is a pragmatic argument for any city commuter, and that's enough savings for you to buy another MG Comet EV. Now that, my friends, is a really good deal.